Hey everybody, I am Jessica Bittman with the Greater Wilmington Convention and Visitors Bureau, and this is Bits and Bites. Now, I have been walking by this amazing shop in downtown for years. It's called Morgan's of Delaware, and it's a boutique clothing shop, and they have these fantastic windows where I covet the dresses on a regular basis. So I recently found out that Morgan's of Delaware has actually been downtown for 43 years. It is a Black woman-owned business. It's a fantastic clothing shop where she models things after New York City boutiques, and she does personal styling services. So I really was in need of some new outfit for the fall, and I thought it would be a great way to introduce her to our audience and go get some clothes while I'm at it. So let's go to Morgan's. Try it on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I apologize, you're going to have little hairs all over your stuff.
That's the
Oh.
small.
Mm-hmm.
Do this. So there are different variations.
Mm-hmm.
This one is, if you hold it, it's buttoned on the shoulders right here
Okay.
and buttoned here. So this is wide through here. What I just did with her is major in terms of fit. Okay. Changes the whole.
Oh, wow.
Changes the whole look.
Well, that's fun. That's like really fun.
Hold still.
Okay.
Now you won't be able to touch her. What is that? MC Hammer can't touch this.
Oh, look at me. That's awesome. The foot's out, right?
See? And then the little black jacket
that's so
can
fun.
go. This can go over top of it. And then we went to glam.
Yeah. Oh, I hope you get that soundbite. I like that. Ooh. I feel like Kid Rock should be playing in the background. Should be like.
The music to go with it.
Oh my God, today was so much fun. Can you check out this necklace and these fantastic pants? Now, I love Morgan's. Everything here is, they support women-owned businesses. She really helped me to figure out how to put these outfits together, how to elevate it so that I can wear them differently, different days, and figure out like what jewelry. I never would have put this necklace with this top, but it's incredible. You have to come here and support her. She's been here 43 years in downtown Wilmington. You can get an outfit for a night, an outfit for the entire season. I'll see you next time on Bits and Bites.